In this problem, we are asked to solve by factoring. When we look at our equation, 9x squared plus 3x equals 2, we realize that it's not in standard form. So we need to move this 2 to the other side by subtraction to get our equation in standard form and equal to 0 prior to factoring. So that leaves us with 9x squared plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we're able to set up our structure to begin factoring. So when we look at our a of 9, we have 9x squared. That could be 1x times 9x or 3x times 3x. I'll start with the 3x times 3x. Now let's take a look at our c. c is a negative value, which means that we will have 1 plus and 1 minus in our factors. The factors of c are 1 and 2, so I'll just guess and put a 1 right here and a 2 right here. We need to FOIL this out just to check and make sure we get the correct b value. So 3 times 3, that's 9x squared. 3x times negative 2 is minus 6x. Here we have 1 times 3x is a positive 3x. 1 times negative 2 is minus 2. You can see that we have a sign problem because we ended up with a b value of negative 3x. When we end up with the correct numerical value, but it's the opposite sign, that means we need to go in and switch our signs because we have a sign problem. So we originally had 3x plus 1, so let's make this a minus and this a plus. So now let's check again by FOILing out just to make sure we fixed our sign problem. So that's going to be 9x squared plus 6x minus 3x minus 2, and now we get that correct positive 3x value. So we fixed our sign problem. Now we can use our zero product property. So 3x minus 1 equals 0. 3x plus 2 equals 0. So I'm going to add 1. So I get 3x equals 1, divide by 3, so x is equal to 1/3. Here, I'll subtract 2 to get 3x is equal to negative 2, divide by 3, and get x equals negative 2/3. So with the factors 3x minus 1 times 3x plus 2, I get x is equal to 1/3 or x is equal to negative 2/3. We have two real solutions.